Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today we are going to present for the subjects Mat183. So we are from group 3 and our group consists of 4 students, which is Aiman Muhammad, Michael Imran, me, then Aiman, and also Aiman Rafiq. So for our presentation today, the topic of the presentation is application of differentiation in biology. First, I'm going to give a brief definition of what is differentiation. So differentiation is the instantaneous rate of change of a function with respect to one of its variable. And differentiation is also a process of finding the derivative or rate of change of a function. So for the next part, I'm going to pass to Mikhail Imran.
My name is Mat183 Calculus. Now I am in session in biology. Showing examples from question list, bacteria are growing in a circular context. The bacteria are growing at a constant rate, thus making the area of body increase at a constant rate of 12 millimeters square per hour. So from that line, we know that A over 12 millimeters square per hour. Question 1. Find an equation expressing the rate of change of radius as a function of the radius r meters of. From that line also, we can conclude that question 1 wants us to r over. Question 2. How fast is r changing when 3 millimeter? Question 3. Describe the way dr over dt changes the circle. The next circle. We have dA over 12 millimeters square per hour and dr is what we call. So circular area, we know that the relative equation is pi r square. So if we differentiate A equals to pi r square, we can get A over r is equals to pi r. By applying the chain rule, we know that dA over dt is equals to dA over dr times with dr over dt. So dA over dt is equals to 2 pi r or pi to r times with dr over dt. Since we want to find dr over dt, we can just reshuffle the equation and we can get r over dt is equals to dA over dt times with 1 over 2 pi r. Since we know dA over dt is to 12, we can conclude that r over dt equals to 12 over 2 pi r. Simplify the equation, you can get 6 pi r.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Aiman Rafiq Hasanuddin. My ID matrix is 2021852016. For the question 2, the question is asked of how fast is R changing when it equals to 3 millimeter. Based on the first question, the final answer that we got is 12 over 2 pi r. So we can simplify it to 6 over pi r. So it said that r is equals to 3 millimeter. We can put r is to 3 and then we got the final answer as 2 over pi. So the radius is changing at 0.636 millimeter per hour when r equals to 3 millimeter. Okay, now I will pass the presentation to Aiman Muhammad.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Bikram Saman and my ID is 2021-207-906. So my next question is describe the way dr over dt changes with the radius of the circle. So the answer for this is dr over dt varies inversely with the radius. So okay, so for the conclusion, in a nutshell, we can conclude that differentiation are being used in our daily lives such as biology and could give a benefits to people. Differentiation are being used to calculate the radius of artery in our blood vessel. This method will make us know the radius very accurately. So this method usually used by the biologists to calculate the volume of blood that flows across selection per unit time. There are another example that can show differentiation are being used in biology. Differentiation also used in economics, geometry, and others. Integration also a method that helps many industries is more efficient. So I think that's all from us. Thank you so much.